Hi, this is Manpreet and you are welcome to Learn with me from home. Today's video is for anyone who wants to learn about irregular verbs. But before we start, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Before we come down to irregular verbs, we should know what a verb is. So, a verb is a word which tells or asserts something about a person or a thing. I will detail more on this when I'll teach only about verb. So the verbs can be regular or irregular. Regular verbs form their past tense and past participle, that is V2 and V3 form by adding ed. For example, base form V1, past tense V2 and past participle V3. Walk, walked, walked. Second example, wait, waited, waited. We see that in the V2 and V3 forms we are using ed. So these are regular verbs. What are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs form their past tense and past participle in a different way. They don't add ed, d or ied with them. For example, ring, rang, rung, begin, began, begun. Over here we see the V2 and V3 forms of ring and begin are different. Rang, rung, began, begun. They don't have any ed, d or ied with them. Irregular verbs are of three types. Verbs in which all three forms are same. For example, cut, cut, cut. Verbs in which two of the three forms are same. For example, sit, sat, sat. Verbs in which all three forms are different. For example, ring, rang, rung. Let's see the first type. Type 1. All the three forms are same. V1, V2 and V3. First example is bet, bet, bet. Burst, burst, burst. Cost, cost, cost. Cut, cut, cut. Hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Let, let, let. Put, put, put. Read, read, read. Set, set, set. Shut, shut, shut. Split, split, split. Spread, spread, spread. So we see that all the three forms V1, V2 and V3 are the same. The important point over here is, please don't ever say cut, cut it, or let it, put it. Please don't ever say this and embarrass yourself. There is no other way but to learn these irregular verbs by heart. Type 2. Two of the forms are same. Beat, beat, beaten. Become, became, become. Bend, bent, bent. Bleed, bled, bled. Breed, bred, bred. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Burn, burnt or burnt, burnt or burned. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Come, came, come. Dig, dug, dug. Feed, fed, fed. So we see in most of these forms V2 and V3 are the same, but in some forms V1 and V3 are same. We have to remember this. It is really, really important. Type 3. All the three forms are different. Be, was or were, been. Begin, began, begun. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Choose, chose, chosen. Do, did, done. Drink, drank, drunk. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. We see all these forms V1, V2 and V3 are different, and the most important is the base form of be. The V2 form is was or were, and V3 form is been. We continue with this. Bite, bit, bitten. Draw, drew, drawn. Drive, drove, driven. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Freeze, froze, frozen. Grow, grew, grown. With this, we come to the end of the irregular verbs. There is no shortcut or any principle to use these irregular verbs. You have to learn them by heart and bring it into practice. It helps in the formation of correct form of sentences as well as tenses. So please go through them and learn them by heart. We come to the last part of the video, that is word of the day, and today we have two words. Both the words start with the alphabet K. The first word is kayak, or we can say kyak. What is a kyak? Kyak is a small canoe, or we can say it is a light, narrow boat. For example, the tourists had a big problem trying to get back into kayak. The tourists were getting problem in getting into the small, narrow boat or a kayak. Most anglers fish from a sit-on-top kayak. Most fishermen, they sit on the top of the small canoe or small boat, which is kayak, and then do fishing. The next word is knuckle. Now, why have I chose this word K? In the first word, we see the normal usage of the alphabet K, and in the second one, the alphabet K is silent. And the word is knuckle. We see that there is no use of K over here, so we call it silent. The meaning of knuckle is a joint of the finger when a fist is closed. For example, stop cracking your knuckles. That means don't pull your knuckles or don't crack your knuckles. He would not knuckle down under their pressure. The other meaning of the knuckle is to bend down. So he would not bend down before the pressure of the others. Many of my viewers have told me to explain the word of the day in Hindi also. So for them, I'll do the needful. So the first word of the day is kyak. आज का हमारा पहला वर्ड है kyak. Kyak का मतलब एक छोटी सी नैरो पतली सी बोट. इसको हम kyak या kyak भी कहते हैं. For example, the tourists had a big problem trying to get back into a kayak. जो टूरिस्ट थे उनको kayak में वापस बैठने में मुश्किल हो रही थी. Most anglers fish from a sit-on-top kayak. बहुत सारे फिशरमैन kayak के ऊपर से बैठ करके मछली पकड़ते हैं. सेकंड वर्ड है हमारा नकल, और नकल में के साइलेंट है. नकल का मतलब होता है जब हम अपनी मुट्ठी को बंद करते हैं, जो फिंगर्स के जोड़ होते हैं उनको हम नकल्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्टॉप क्रैकिंग योर नकल्स. अपने नकल्स को मत क्रैक करो. He would not knuckle down under their pressure. नकल का मतलब झुकना भी होता है. तो वह किसी और के प्रेशर के अंडर में नकल डाउन नहीं करेगा। आई होप आप सबको समझ में आ गया है। सो वी कम डाउन टू द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो, एंड for any doubts, queries or suggestions, please mail me at learnwithmefromhome@gmail.com. Keep looking for my next videos. Till we meet again, please take care of yourself, stay safe, and goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.